We chose a hybrid approach to working here at MongoDB because we knew that going back to the office 5 days a week after COVID was simply not going to happen. But at the same time, human interaction is critical for our workers to be productive and engaged at all times. Hybrid working at MongoDB is about providing employees with optionality while also ensuring that we're able to sustain the engagement and culture that we want to build here. To that end, we encourage all employees, irrespective of working models, to spend time with colleagues in some shape or form on a regular basis. Our in-office employees typically work from a MongoDB office 3 to 5 days a week. Flexible employees are in 1 to 2 times a week. Our remote employees are typically those who do not live anywhere near a MongoDB office or are in customer-facing roles, so they don't need to or simply cannot come to an office on a regular basis. Working models may be dependent on your specific role at MongoDB and are typically mutually agreed upon by you and your manager to ensure that you're best supported and set up for success. My name is Harsha Jalihal, and I am the Chief People Officer of MongoDB.